Hello everyone, this is Thomas from Zaxcom, and today I'm here to talk to you about the Nomad Mixer Recorder, specifically the Fader Assign menu. You have the ability to let any of the faders on the front of the device control any of your inputs. It doesn't matter if they're analog or digital. So let's get started. If you haven't already done so, go ahead and turn on your Nomad. Now once inside, press the menu button and scroll down to Fader Assign. Now inside of this menu, you will notice that across the top you have 1 through 8, and along the right side you have faders 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now all you need to do in order to have a fader control a certain input is to put either an A or a D in a certain box that correlates to an input. For example, if you want fader 1 to control input number 1, all you need to do is move the cursor over to the upper left-hand corner box and press the menu button to place an A inside of that box. That's it. That now allows fader 1 to control analog input 1, which is located in the back of the Nomad. Now, what would happen if you were using a digital source? Well, in that example, all you need to do is push the menu button one more time in order to make fader 1 control digital input number 1. Now, you will notice that in almost every single setup, what it is a 1-to-1 ratio. So, for example, input number 1 will be controlled by fader 1, input 2, fader 2, 3, fader 3, and so forth. You also have the ability to have one fader control multiple inputs at the same time. To do so, for example, if you were grouping things together, you could assign certain numbers of inputs to one fader, like so. In the example that I have just put up, it shows you that fader 1 is now controlling inputs 1, 2, and 3. Now you will notice on my Nomad right now, I have the ability to set an A or a D for my faders to control either an analog or digital input. However, you may notice that your Nomad has the ability to input a Z as well. Now, don't worry, this isn't a glitch or anything like that. What this means is that the Nomad has the ability to have a fader control an input trim of a transmitter. Now, if that doesn't make any sense to you, don't worry. I'm going to be going into that in another video. But just for now, make sure that you have your staircase going from input 1 all the way down to input 6. This means that a 1-to-1 ratio for all of your faders is in effect. Congratulations! You have now set up the Fader Assign menu on your Nomad. You're one step closer to mixing. Once again, my name is Thomas Pop, and I'm from Zaxcom. And next time, I'm going to talk to you about one of my favorite features, which is auto trim. Thanks for watching.